Hello friends, welcome to next generation of coders. Next method, that is extend. As I show you, a equal to comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and b equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 and t dot e and b and a. And we run this, would come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as a whole, as a list. Friend, if we want to join any two string, we use extend. Friend, understand what extend do, and now we talk about insert. Hence, if we want to insert any number, anything inside a list, then we use the method insert. As I show you, a dot insert 5 2 and print a. Hence, if we want to insert any number inside the list at any position, then we use the method insert. Like I show you, a dot insert 3 2, where 3 is a place where you want to insert and 2 is a number which you want to insert. Then we get the output 1 2 3 2 4 as we count from the 0, and when we count the place to 3, then we get the place 3 here at a place of 4. When we this method a dot insert 3 2, then shift and 2 comes at a place of 4. And if we want to insert any number at a certain place, we use the method insert. When now you very well know about the method insert, now we talk about pop. If we want to take out something inside the list, we use the method pop. Like I show you that print a dot pop 2 and print a rendered, then we get the output and 1 comma 2 comma 4. Imagine if this list is like a container. Inside this there are branch of 1 2 3 4, and if we want to take out 2, and 2 is in our hand, if we see inside the container, then we see 1 3 or 4. Okay, we like as this example as print a dot pop 2, then we got 3, and you very well understand this method pop. Now we talk about remove. If we want to remove any number, we take the same example, and in this we do not take the number 3 in our hand. Change is there. If we want to give 3 number coin to someone, then this coin is not present in our hand or in the container. So when this 3 number is not shown to us. Likewise, if we want to remove anything from the list, then we use the method remove. If I give you the example, a dot remove and print a and run this, and we get output 1 3 4. One more thing we have to take in mind, that we do not tell the position. Here we tell the thing that we have to remove. Now when remove is finished, now we talk about reverse. If we want to find mirror image of any list, we use the reverse. Like I show you, a dot reverse print and run this, we get the output 4 3 2 1. Friends, this is very simple. And now we talk about sort. If any list is in the jumble order, like I show you a5 3 9 6 if we want to change any list descending order, then we use the method sort. Like I show you, a dot print, and we get the output 3 5 6 8 9. If we want to arrange in the descending order, then we use the method revert, and when we do this, then we get the output 9 8 7 6 7 5 3 descending order. Okay, now you very well understand about the list. So friend, now the concept of list is finished here, and in the next tutorial we will talk about tuples. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question to ask, then ask in the comment box. As soon as possible I will reply you.